Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I am Crypto Kip, and today we're going to be talking about Crypto.com Cronos. We're going to talk a little bit about the card, what I've done with the card. We're going to talk about the earn rates. We're going to talk a little bit about exchange tokens as a whole, what's happening in the industry. Some exchange tokens are dying, and some exchanges are getting crushed right now with this bear market, and some are thriving. Which way is Cronos going? Well, I'm going to get into that in this video. Smash your like button, subscribe to the channel if you like the content. Also, if you want some free money, go ahead and utilize the link in the description down below. You'll get a free $25 when you sign up for Crypto.com using our referral code. And also, when you go sign up for Femex using a referral code, you can get up to $4,100 for a free trade. So keep that in mind, guys. Without further ado, let's take a peek at the charts for the day. So Bitcoin back down, about to break below 20K, and Ethereum about to break below $1,000. Let's see if we get another bounce here, but as you can see, the whole market is down, and Cronos coin is down today too at 11 cents. FTX and Cronos are currently battling at the 21 and 22 rank spot. When you peek at the chart here, we've just had a lot of up and down over the last 7 days, but we have been going sideways over the last at least half month. So that is optimistic, and we are way down from all-time highs, as you can see, which means that we have a really great buying opportunity ahead of us, and we're most likely waiting for the Bitcoin happening in 2024, 2025 before we get another bull run. So let's see what happens. Let me know what you think about that in the comments down below. But guys, here's some big news for Crypto.com. Crypto.com removes Dogecoin, Shiba, and others from the Earn program. So 13 other coins, but they're adding Zilliqa. Oh, that's really exciting. I didn't see that. And near an FTM in the near future. So Zilliqa hodlers, where are you at? Excited to see that. But got rid of Doge and Sheeb and some other coins. Now, not really surprising, to be honest. Tezos, Flow, but they're adding more. So they're just changing it up. It's going to happen. It depends on where the liquidity's at, how much volume they have, how much interest they can actually pay out. There's a lot of things that go into this, so just be on your toes, guys, with these earn rates, whether you're talking about a card stake, percentage back, or you're talking about the earn rates. These things are going to continue to change, and you can click here to kind of get the earn updates. But I went over to the website for you, so they still say on the website you can earn up to 14.5% on your crypto, which is kind of a stretch, up to 10% for stable coins. So when you actually peak at what you can get right now, you can get 6% on tier 1. See, this got so complicated. 6% on tier 1, which is $5,000. You're going to get the full reward. Anything above that, I believe you get significantly less. So if you do like $30,000, then I think it changes your rates, basically, which is kind of crazy. So these rates, guys, used to be so anything above $30,000 brings you to tier 2, I believe. Yeah, so that's what you'll see. And tier 2 is actually less interest. So you're going to get half their rewards. You get 50% the rewards with tier 2. So anything under $30,000, you can get 4% on your Ethereum. You can get 8% on your USD coin still, which is decent. Let's say you have $30,000 in there, you can earn 8%. If you have $100,000, you can only earn 4%. So, not as good as it used to be, but still there. And they took away some of their coins, but they still have quite a few. And they added Zilliqa, or it's coming here soon. So very exciting to see that. Another thing I want to keep in front of you guys is you got to keep in mind that there is a whole DeFi angle. And I'm going to do a video on this one in depth, but check out the DeFi app. You can do earning. Now, look at this. On this picture, it shows 10% annual interest on your Cronos tokens. So notice the earn platform on Crypto.com exchange is about 6%. If it's over $30,000, it goes to 3%. If you go over to the DeFi app, you're currently getting 12 point something %, and there is no cap, and that's going to reduce you to getting half the interest. You're going to get the full 12%. All you got to do is stake in Jerry's pool. You can check out all the different pools that you can put your CRO tokens in. There is a 30-day unbonding period, I should let you know, which is actually even better than the earn terms, because the earn terms, in order to get the full reward, you need to go up to 180 days or possibly like 90 days, which is significantly longer. So a 30-day bonding period is pretty good, but there's a lot more you can do in the DeFi app besides just earn. You can browse the dApps, you can go to VVS Finance, you can mine for VVS tokens, you can provide liquidity into liquidity pools, and you could do a liquidity pair between some of the tokens in the Cronos ecosystem. You can go to Finance, do the same. You can play some roulette. You can go to Tectonic, where I borrowed funds in the past, and I borrowed a little bit of money against my crypto, so that's something you can do too. Ebsui Bay is another thing you can do. Uniswap, OpenSea. So you can go into the NFT platforms here, and notice that they actually added an NFT tab into the DeFi app here that you can see at the bottom. It's tough to see. My little cube is blocking it, but you can do NFTs in here too. You can deposit them, and it's really cool, and you can buy them right there on the app. And just like a Uniswap, you can swap. So a lot of things you can do. You know, they're removing some tokens from the earn, but look at all the things you can do on the DeFi app. So it's kind of a non-story because Crypto.com is huge, guys. You know all the partnerships. We've been over that a billion times. And, you know, let me make something clear, too. So I got rid of my stake for my rose gold card, and I sold it because I have a lot of CRO tokens in the DeFi app, but I didn't need to hold that rose gold card benefit anymore. The Spotify and the Netflix reimbursement wasn't quite doing it for me, and my reduction of like 8% interest is not really valuable to me either, because I would rather actually just have the 12% of the DeFi app or buy some Zilliqa is what I did. But the other day I wanted to pull out some cash. I'm going on a trip here coming up. I wanted some cash. So really quick way for me to pull out a little bit of money just for spending. I saw the market was up. So I took $1,000 out, and I did that with my rose gold card, and I took it out of the ATM within minutes. So, you know, there's still a lot of functionality there. It's really cool way to be able to cash out your crypto. All you got to do is sell for USDC, and then you go and you put it and you top up your card, and then you go to your ATM and you're all set. So a lot of cool things. And guys, right now there's a lot of trouble in the crypto world, as you know it. And this was a crazy article by Forbes where Bankman-Fried, founder of FTX, warns some crypto exchanges are already secretly insolvent. You got to search around for these articles. You can talk about Three Arrows, borrow large sums of money from numerous crypto firms, including Voyager Digital and New York-based BlockFi. In order to survive Three Arrows' default, the two digital asset exchanges turned to billionaire Sam Bankman-Fried, founder of FTX, the richest person in the world, worth over $20 billion, and he was helping them out with some money. A couple quotes from him: "We were willing to do somewhat of a bad deal here if that's what it takes to sort of stabilize things." So he's trying to protect the market. And a lot of people are speculating that he is looking at acquiring some of these exchanges, which is very, very interesting. So he recently closed acquisition of Liquid, which is a troubled Japanese exchange. BlockFi and Voyager Digital are in his grip despite denials, and Robinhood may be next. So right now we're in a bear market, and you're not seeing everything, right? And so he's saying in this article that some of these exchanges are insolvent, and you can kind of see BlockFi, Voyager. There's a couple others out there. Crypto.com is not one of them, guys. Coinbase isn't one of them, guys. But BlockFi and Voyager certainly are, you know, and they're in trouble right now. But as others die, the strong ones that are around will thrive, right? FTX, Crypto.com, Coinbase, they're going to stick around. They're going to stay strong, and their fees are getting less. Their interest rates are getting less. But these coins aren't going anywhere, and there's a lot of functionality, especially in Crypto.com's DeFi world and on the dApps and in the ecosystem for the Cronos chain. So, guys, that's all I got. I am bullish on Crypto.com. I think when the bull market continues, we're going to see this soaring. It has retained its value wonderfully, all things considered. So, that's all I got here. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, guys, you have to remember to DCA, hodl, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody.